Hi everyone, I came across this post from Hader Crypto. In his post, he's asking which one crypto is the future, Pi Network, Bitcoin, or ICE Network. I'm not familiar with ICE Network and the other one here, Blum, but I answered Bitcoin, and when I clicked on Bitcoin, um, the voters are supposed to answer the Pi Network. Okay, so choosing Bitcoin is wrong. He's implying that Bitcoin is not the future of crypto. Okay, I hold Pi coins. I actually do content for Pi Network and Ruby mining app, but still, Bitcoin is the truly decentralized cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin is the store of value. For me, Bitcoin really paved the way. Okay, as to how we know cryptocurrency as of today. Okay, so comment your thoughts about this post. I would also like to hear your thoughts.